One way to incorporate technology into the classroom is by using a fun and interactive app called Simplex Spelling. This app can improve reading and spelling skills. Simplex Spelling is an excellent series of apps for a classroom with iPads. It is compatible with iPads, tablets, iPods, or iPhones. These apps contain hundreds of high-frequency English words. The Simplex Spelling Lite version is absolutely free. However, it has a few sister apps that further complement building phonics skills. One of the sister apps we will be looking at is the Simplex Rhyme CVC Phonics app. The cost of this app is a one-time fee of $5 and can be used year after year with an unlimited amount of users that may be edited as needed. The age range for this app are grades pre-K through 3rd grade. It can also be used for remedial and English language learner support. The Simplex Spelling apps align to Common Core standards by developing word structure knowledge through phonological awareness. There are many features and benefits of this educational app. One of the features is that it allows you to add and edit an unlimited amount of users and track their progress. Another feature is that the app allows the teacher or user to control the number of attempts, which is a great way to align the app to the student's level. The app also allows the students to enter into practice mode before beginning lessons. There are audio features as well as sentence examples for each word. The benefits of these apps include teaching spelling, allowing students to build words independently, reinforcing lesson content, and most importantly, it is geared towards multiple learning styles through audio, visual, and tactile features.
After teachers have done the initial download, created student usernames, which will be the students' names, and confirm the settings, there are only 4 easy steps for students to work through. Step 1. Students will open the app and select their username. Step 2. They will then select a vowel group at the top, A, E, I, O, or U. Step 3. Under the selected vowel, students will then be prompted to select a group list or review category. Step 4. Work through the audio prompts to build different CVC words.
The words in this list all end with the letters UG that say UG. Dug. Kylie dug a hole. Dug. D. G. D. G. Dug. Flawless. Jug. Henry drank a jug of water. Jug. J. G. J. G. Jug.
When done, view final score at the end of every section. This technology app would deeply enhance the learning experience after a lesson covering onset and rhyming words. Students could construct various words by manipulating beginning and ending phonemes of a base word. Depending on the student's learning level, this app can be used for reinforcement as students can review the content that was covered during a lesson or for enrichment as students further their knowledge of phonemic awareness. For example, if a class was working on changing the word hen to the word fox, they would be discussing the beginning, middle, and ending sounds of each word. The teacher would emphasize different parts of each word, and students could utilize this prior knowledge while working on this simplex spelling app.